Derek. Together we are living in this big beast here, our motorhome, and we have 3 cats on board too.
2 of them are from the Netherlands. We brought them over when we arrived in Canada 4 years ago, almost. And 1 we found in the US, and he adopted us basically instead of we adopted him. But yeah, we're Dutch, by the way. You might have heard a little of an accent.
And together we're traveling through the United States and Canada. We're full-time RVers. We've been living in this motorhome that we have renovated from the inside for 2 years now.
Yeah. At like end of August, our family will extend with a little tiny hippie, right?
Yeah, Ilka's pregnant, so end of August we expect a baby.
Yep. Yeah, we decided that we're going to make a vlog or video or a YouTube whatever channel thingy, and this will be number 1.
Pizza time!
Yay!
It's heavy. The camera is super heavy, guys. Okay, wacht even. I'm busy filming, make it happen.
Je ne veux pas être empereur. Ce n'est pas mon affaire. Je ne veux ni conquérir ni diriger personne. Je voudrais aider tout le monde dans la mesure du possible. Juifs, chrétiens, païens, blancs et noirs. Nous voudrions tous nous aider si nous pouvions. Les êtres humains sont ainsi faits. Nous voulons donner le bonheur à notre prochain, pas lui donner le malheur. Nous ne voulons pas haïr ni humilier personne.
It is Thursday, I guess. Thursday morning. And we're going to have one of our typical breakfasts. Yesterday it was raining all day, so we didn't get to sit outside too much, but today we're going to enjoy this here.
So that's our moon, huh? Our lady cat. And, well, I don't know if you can see her well. Yeah, there she is. And apparently she brought home a nice mouse.
Doe je muisfilm. Lekker. Tasty pictures for breakfast.
As you can see, our hair is very greasy. Like maybe you see that with Derek's hair as well. Anyway, that's because we haven't taken a shower in 5 days. We try to be like water efficient as we're boondocking, and so we told ourselves, let's try to have like every 4 days a shower, and this time it's like the 5th day already. So we're really looking forward today to take a shower in our RV. So I'm fresh again. Woohoo! It feels so great. And if you're wondering like where we take a shower, we do actually have a shower in our RV, and I will just show you quickly how it looks like. Built in like our own composting toilet and some storage space. Sink and the mirrors were already there. Some plants that died because of the cold. With -40 they froze all, unfortunately. Also, I wanted to tell you that, like, when we're talking about showers, we mean actually army showers. So it means you kind of like water yourself, wet yourself, like make yourself wet, whatever you want to call it, just for a couple of seconds, then like turn the water off, like soap yourself, and then turn the water on to just like rinse yourself. Basically, this whole thing is done within like 2 minutes max.
First time in the wild.
For now, I'm going to make some sourdough bread, and I wanted to show you a little bit about it. Out again. And what is Derek doing? Derek is cleaning all the windows from the inside and the outside with what? Just vinegar and water, right?
Yep.
And it works pretty well because I see it shine already. Good morning. It's today Friday, and we thought it would be like a really nice warm day outside, but it's pretty cold. At least in BC it's pretty cold because it's so humid. Yeah, so we figured, what the hell, we put the generator on, we switched it on, put some heaters on, and I'm going to bake my sourdough bread, so yeah. So what's super cool about this is actually a campground in a provincial park, and they are opening somewhere end of May till like probably October, which means like off season. Not in all provincial park campgrounds in BC, but some of them, wait, this is Derek, just give me a second. Some of the campgrounds will be open even if it's off season, which means like you can park here. It's not a full service or anything, but you can park here for free. Derek, do you want to tell something about our average speed when we go up a hill?
Our average speed is probably somewhere, depends on the hill, and depends on how fast you've been before that. Anywhere between 30, I think that's the slowest we've done so far.
Wasn't it actually 25k?
Maybe 25. And the fastest would be maybe 70.
But not uphill.
Yeah. But that only if you had enough speed to begin with, and you can roll up. So if you see that it's going to go uphill, you drive a bit faster so that you can use your momentum there.
So we have actually two vlog dilemmas. Number one, Derek and I are Dutch, so we normally talk Dutch to each other. But of course, it's not really a language that the whole world speaks, so we wanted to make it English. But then again, we feel not always as comfortable speaking English to you guys. Number 2 is that how are we going to do this? Like, are we going to film situations where we talk Dutch and then put some subtitles underneath, or do we have to get used to talking English in front of the camera to each other? Number 3, dilemma number 3. The camera we are filming with is super heavy. It's a Sony, what, Dirk? I don't know what kind of
Sony Alpha 77.
Which has like a super heavy body, but that's the only camera we have where we can see ourselves on the screen, which is nice so that we see that everything is focused. So we are wondering, how do you guys do that? Do you also work with a heavy camera and like a little mini tripod to hold it, or you just have like a very lightweight tiny camera that is way easier to film? Check out that valley. It's so gorgeous here. Like, especially coming from Alberta, where the snow just kind of melted and everything is still a little bit brownish. Oh my god, BC is so green, so lush, so wow.
We are in Creston on our way to Nelson. And the internet told us we should check out the Wildlife Refuge Center, or the Recreation Wildlife Management Center. And this is what it looks like.
For the ferry to
Nelson.
Nelson. Well, not basically to Nelson, but we're crossing Kootenay Lake, and I think this will be the first time that we're
the RV to be on a ferry.
Yeah. See, we're entering Nelson with this gorgeous bridge.
We're in Nelson at Young Ward, and we're going to have some coffee and chicory chai latte, a black bean brownie,
lemon square. And with this,
and that's Veronica, by the way.
London fog. London, she's our London fog.
So, and she's our tour guide for today too. So yeah, basically we've explored a little bit. We'll film later on a little bit of the RV too, and of town. So far, the impression of Nelson is really great. It's a kind of hippie town, not too many chains. Weather is awesome. At the moment we are parked at a Walmart in Nelson. There's no overnight camping here, but we still wanted to show the parking spot. So we're at the outskirts of the parking spot, and if you look outside, there is water. This is the spot. It's pretty neat. As you can see, lake there, Walmart there, lake there, Walmart there, and RV over there. We found a great spot. Our friends pointed us towards this spot. There's no sign, so we think we'll be fine, and we're not the only ones parking here, but let's have a look. We've already let our cats outside. We're going back into Nelson with a scooter. It's 10 Ks. To have a drink with our friends. So yeah, we hope it's going to be fine to leave our cats alone here and just take off in a bit after we've eaten some. But I think we'll be fine. Just look at this spot. It's amazing.
Good morning, you all. Today it's Sunday. And we slept in today a little bit. I think it's already like 11:30 or something. We had a late night and we're on a pretty awesome spot where it's super quiet, so it's easy to sleep in. Today, well, first I will make a nice breakfast smoothie. I will show you in a second what I will put in there. Then I baked 2 days ago some bread, and one of the breads didn't bake very well from the inside. This is the first time in about 2 years that I kind of failed. But yeah, it's a waste to throw it away, and the flavor is probably super cool, super delicious. So we're going to make some crackers out of it, and I hope that's going to work out because it's the first time we try that. And then probably because it's going to be like 29 degrees today, we're going to take the inflatable kayak out on the lake for the first time. I gave that to Dirk for his birthday, and like 2 weeks ago, and I feel today is the day that we actually should try it out.
So Ilka just made this wonderful smoothie right here. And I'm going to enjoy it with this awesome view. We've been paddling the kayak for the first time now on a river. I can show you here. It's pretty much next to where we are boondocking. We're more or less behind the trees over there. Yeah, it's the first time that I'm in this thing, and also the first time that I have currents in kayaking. I can't really say that I feel super comfortable. So we had a little bit of an argument about me being panicky. Yeah, so we'll see. Anyways, so we thought this kayak would take us half an hour to inflate, but I think it was only like 12 minutes or something.
It floats as well, but it's not.
Floatable, inflatable. What is it? The Explorer or the Challenger?
It's a Challenger.
Challenger K2, my birthday present, first time. And yeah, it's nice. It's relatively stable, but I still have to get used to it.
You have to smile more,
Okay.
and if not, you swim.
Okay. Underneath.
And do some workout. Workout.